Hi guys, this is Paradhi. Welcome back to my channel, The Styling Stories. So, it was my birthday on 1st November and I had the best time of my life. It was my best birthday ever. I have turned 25 this time and I spent my birthday with the most important people in my life, that is with my family after a long time. And I have got the best wishes, the best gifts, the best people were around me. So I think nothing else matters, right? So I am here to share 25 things that I have learned at 25. Okay, so I am not an expert on anything. I just casually want to share my thoughts, what I have experienced in my life. So let's get started. The first thing is that you are the only person who's responsible for yourself in your life. There is absolutely nobody you can blame for anything going wrong in your life. I have learned it a very hard way, but yeah, I've learned. You gotta be your own hero in life. There's nobody who can keep you happy unless you learn how to keep yourself happy. Do not run too fast in life that you forget to cherish how far you have come and what all you have achieved in life. So it is very important to look back and pat yourself that you have achieved so much in such a long time. So yeah, don't forget to appreciate yourself. Fourth is, it's okay to take break in life. If you're feeling overwhelmed with a lot of work or a lot of emotions, just take a day off. And you don't have to put yourself in guilt. You don't have to be working all day and night. It's okay to take break and relax for a while. Fifth is cutting off negativities around you. This is the most important thing that I actually have learned during the lockdown period. And if you want to do something in life, cutting off negativities is the most important factor of growth. So cut off the negativities and strengthen your own mental peace. You gotta take risks in life if you want to live your dream. This is a very daring and a very strong point. If you learn it, then you won't care about anyone else. Seventh is, every day is a new beginning. So do not worry about what has happened in the past. Just wake up the next day with all the freshness and a big smile on your face. Eighth one is again a very important point. It's when you grow up, you will start losing a lot of people around you. So do not worry about that, because when you grow alone. Next one is that no matter what happens in life, your parents, your family would always stand by you no matter what. So trust your family, trust your people. 10th, there is much more out there in the world than the conventional things we have known or have been living for. In friendship, you need quality and not quantity. A bunch of friends who are double-faced do not matter. Only a few good friends matters. 12th, to be unstoppable, you gotta leave your own comfort zone. And this is really important in life. So do something, do that one thing that makes you leave your comfort zone, and you will see a big change in yourself. 13, workout is the essential part of our daily life. And all this while I believe that working out keeps you physically fit, but this lockdown has taught me that working out keeps your mind fresh and healthy, and it is very important. Now I've started working out and I cannot miss my workout at any case. 14, training your mind to feed in all the positive affirmations every morning and every night is a hack for your healthy and positive life. 15th, this is again a very important and a very hard learning that I have learned all through the years, that if you want to grow in life, you have to surround yourself with smarter people who are smarter than you are. 16th, if you start feeling that you are the only brainy person in your circle, just quit that circle very soon and upgrade yourself. 17th, there is no age of learning. So you just get up and get started. Try that thing that you always wanted to. Do not get scared of anyone or anything around you. Just get up and start your day. 18. Until you experiment with a lot of different ideas, you will never come up with one such great idea. So it's very important to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your mistakes. 19. Your parents are your best counselors. So walk up to them and talk your heart out. 20. Kindness costs nothing. So be humble and you would be at peace. Trust me. Be kind to people. If you don't have anything to speak, then just don't speak. Don't be mean to people. Just be kind. Always give your best to the society, because it could mean nothing to someone, but it could do wonders to somebody else. So always be helpful. Always try and share as much as you can with the society. 22. You don't need validation from anyone in life. If you believe in yourself, there's no one who can put you down. So believe in yourself. 23. Be the change you want to see around yourself. 24. Failure is a vital part of your life, because that changes your perception and makes you stronger than ever, and that makes you come back with a lot more power and you are able to conquer it. 25th. This is again the most important point that we all should learn and accept, that experiences matter, so make it count, because that has made you who you are today. Often we feel that why we did that particular thing, that is absolutely of no use to us in future, but no, we are wrong. We always learn from our experiences. We always learn from the mistakes that we have done in that particular situation, so that we can apply in our future life. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you can relate to any of the thoughts that I have shared with you all in this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And hit that notification bell icon to get all the new notifications of my videos. And follow me on Instagram if you're not following me yet. Kar lo yaar follow. I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.